Hi everyone, welcome back. My name is Emily, and today we're going to practice American English together. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and speak with confidence. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more English speaking lessons. Let's begin. Hello, how are you today? I'm doing great. I hope you're having a wonderful day. My name is Emily. I'm for meeting new people and practicing English every day. What about you? What's your name? Where are you from? Say your answers out loud. Speaking every day is the best way to improve your English. Every morning, I wake up at 7 o'clock. I brush my teeth, wash my face, and make a healthy breakfast. I usually eat eggs, toast, and fresh fruit. Then I drink a cup of coffee before I start my day. What do you eat for breakfast? Today is a beautiful day. Weather is sunny and warm, so I'm going to take a walk in the park. I enjoy listening to music while I walk. It helps me relax and feel happy. What do you like to do in your free time? I also enjoy reading books and watching English movies. They help me learn new words and improve my pronunciation. Remember, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Every mistake is a chance to learn. Now, let's practice some common American English sentences. Hello. Nice to meet you. How are you doing today? I'm doing great, thank you. What do you do? I work as a teacher. That's wonderful. Have a great day. See you later. Repeat each sentence 2 or 3 times until you feel comfortable saying it naturally. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. Keep speaking English every day, stay confident, and never give up. I'll see you in the next lesson. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more English speaking lessons. Goodbye, and have an amazing day.